In a vast and verdant marshland, where the skies met the earth in a dance of perpetual rain, lived a curlew named Cormorant. Known for his haunting cry and long, slender legs, Cormorant was a bird of mystery and sorrow. One day, Cormorant noticed a peculiar change in the marsh. The reeds, once vibrant and lush, were now wilting and dull. The fish, the lifeblood of the marsh, were disappearing. Cormorant, filled with worry, decided to seek the cause of this calamity. He traveled far and wide, peering into every corner of the marsh, but found no answers. His heart heavy, he returned to his home, his haunting cry echoing through the marsh, a lament for the dying land. One night, under the soft glow of the moon, Cormorant saw a reflection in the still waters. In the mirror-like surface, he saw an image of himself, but something was different. His reflection was not as vibrant as he was. His feathers were dull, his eyes lifeless. Cormorant realized, with a start, that the marsh was reflecting his own sorrow. In that moment, Cormorant understood the power of his emotions. He realized that his lamentations were not just a cry for help, but a self-fulfilling prophecy. He decided to change. The next day, Cormorant's call was not a lament, but a song of hope. His feathers regained their luster, and the marsh began to heal. The reeds grew strong, the fish returned, and the marshland once again teemed with life. Cormorant taught the other birds that their emotions could either bring life or death. He showed them that a positive outlook could bring about change, and that their songs could be a beacon of hope. And so, the marshland thrived, a testament to the power of one bird's transformation. Cormorant, no longer the lamenting curlew, became the beacon of hope, reminding all that their emotions, their songs, could shape their world.